We're getting some breaking updates coming in, viewers. A day before the polling date, Prashant Kishore, Janswaraj Party's candidate from Mungera, Sanjay Singh, has defected to the BJP. Earlier, Janswaraj candidates in Gopalganj, Danapur, Brahmapur had dropped out. With Munger, it's now 4 down, viewers. So this is what we see right now. We're getting these updates coming in Republic TV just a day before polling date. We're coming to know that the Janswaraj candidate has defected to the BJP, and this is the candidate from Munger, Sanjay Singh. I repeat, the name is Sanjay Singh from Munger. He has defected to the BJP from Janswaraj. Earlier, Janswaraj candidates in Gopalganj, Danapur, Brahmampur and had dropped out. Let's go across to Prakash, who's joining us. Prakash, I'm just coming across to you right now. Now, we know that Janswaraj is contesting on all the 243 seats, the only party to do so. But right now, we understand that there seems to be some defections from the Janswaraj to the BJP. Yes, Prakash, go ahead.
Well, it happened yesterday itself. The Janswaraj party candidate defected from the Janswaraj to the BJP in favor of the BJP. He has refused to contest the elections. And this is not the first time that is happening. In Tarapur also, a VIP party candidate withdrew his nomination in favor of Samrat Chaudhary, the BJP candidate. So this has been happening, and after a lot of persuasion, this kind of incidences are taking place with the mutual agreement between the political leaders.
That's right, Prakash. So the voter turnout right now is 27.65%. And this, like you said, this has happened yesterday, just a day before polling day. Just one day before, we see that Prashant Kishore, Janswaraj party's candidate from Munger, has defected to the BJP. But speaking of, the larger picture here, because we see that the PK factor was being considered, and Prashant Kishore is also being considered a dark horse in this race. So how does this really add up, Prakash?
Dark horse as in, do you consider him a serious threat? No. He is not even a dark horse. Nothing. He is no locus standi and no position whatsoever as far as the Bihar elections are concerned. He is just a vote katwa. As he has been also saying, he is a vote katwa. And his time will come, maybe if he works hard for another 5 years and his voice is resonated among the people of Bihar. And the way he has worked, if he works hard for another 5 years, maybe next few years if he does political realignment. But as of now, it's a bipolar contest between the NDA and the Mahagathbandhan. Yes, of course, there would be some seats where if the people are unhappy with the Mahagathbandhan and the NDA candidate, and if according to the social equation and the caste equation, Janswaraj has fielded a particular candidate, then by default that candidate may get some vote because of the anti-incumbency factor. So those things comes into picture on the ground, and but overall, if you look at the overall picture, political picture of Bihar, Prashant Kishore is nowhere in the picture as far as winning is concerned, not even a dark horse.
That's right, Prakash. So we're getting the